Everyone thinks the best-selling bike rack is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Allen Sports Deluxe 2 Bike Rack. First up is the Allen Sports Deluxe 2 Bike Trunk Mount Rack. Priced at $63.54, its simple design caught my eye, especially since it's a bestseller with over 47,600 reviews. If you want a solid, affordable option that fits a range of vehicles, this is worth a serious look. The side straps offer increased lateral stability, so you can be sure your bikes stay put during the drive. Plus, the individual tie-downs secure and protect your bicycles from scratches and movement. It's also fully assembled out of the box, no headaches here, just a quick install in seconds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 12-inch long carry arms, it can accommodate different bike styles, and the padded lower frame keeps the bikes away from your vehicle, which is a big relief if you're worried about scratches. Honestly, it has a solid 4.4-star rating and is a popular choice with over 800 sold just last month. Now, some people complained about it being difficult to adjust for certain vehicle types. Here's the thing though, if you check their website for fit information, you can usually find a great match. It's not a deal breaker, especially for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable bike rack that's easy to install and won't break the bank. Skip this one if you drive a specialty vehicle that isn't listed on their fit guide because it might not work for you. For the price, you really get great value here. Now, if ease of installation is a priority for you, this next one might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, Allen Sports Deluxe 3 Bike Carrier. Next up is the Allen Sports Deluxe Trunk Mount 3 Bike Carrier, priced at $89.99. With the same solid 4.4-star rating and over 47,600 reviews, it's a great option if you need to carry more bikes. If you're looking for something sturdy and reliable, this one deserves your attention. What I really like is the dual tie-down system that secures your bikes while protecting them during the ride. The fully assembled unit installs in seconds and folds flat for easy storage, which is a bonus if you're short on space. Here's why this matters for you. Having the ability to transport 3 bikes safely opens up more options for family trips or group rides. With over 1,000 units sold just this month, it's clear that people trust this rack to keep their bikes secure. Now, some users noted that it can block access to the trunk on some vehicles. But honestly, if you're using it primarily for transport and not daily access, it's a minor issue that most can work around. This is perfect for you if you often ride with friends or family and need to haul multiple bikes. Skip this if you have a vehicle that requires frequent trunk access while the rack is attached. For the price, it's a solid investment for family outings. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you with electric bikes. Product number 3, Weize Hitch Bike Rack. Moving on, we have the Weize Hitch Bike Rack priced at $119.99. This one caught my attention because it can hold up to 160 pounds, making it a great option for heavier bikes like e-bikes. If you've been worried about carrying your electric bike, this is definitely worth a look. What sets this rack apart is its smart tilting and folding design. You can access the back of your vehicle without having to unload your bikes, which is super convenient. The anti-scratch features like the foam padded clamp also help keep your car's paint job intact, which is a big plus if you care about your vehicle's appearance. Here's why this matters for you. The 160 lb capacity means you can confidently transport 2 bikes weighing up to 80 pounds each. That opens up a lot of possibilities for biking trips. Plus, it's compatible with various wheel sizes and tire widths, accommodating 17-29-inch wheels and tires up to 5 inches wide. Now, some customers mention needing to buy a separate top crossbar for step-through bikes, which can be an added expense. But honestly, if you're using standard bikes, this won't affect most buyers. This is perfect for you if you have heavier bikes or e-bikes that you want to transport safely. Skip this one if you only plan on carrying lightweight bikes, as it might be overkill for your needs. It's a bit pricier, but the capacity is a game changer. Now, if you're looking for something that's a bit more budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, the next product might be your best bet. Product number 4, MaxxHaul 2-Bike Rack. Next up, we have the MaxxHaul 50025 Hitch Mount 2-Bike Rack, priced at just $57.99. With a solid 4.3-star rating and over 6,400 reviews, it's a great budget-friendly option. If you're looking for a reliable rack without breaking the bank, this one is worth considering. The rubber bike cradles and buckle-type straps help secure your bikes during transport, so you don't have to worry about them bouncing around. It supports a maximum capacity of 100 pounds with up to 50 pounds per bike, which is suitable for most standard bikes. Here's why this matters for you. The anti-rattle design minimizes wobble, making for a smoother ride. Plus, the ease of installation means you won't waste time trying to figure it out. Honestly, the value for money here is impressive given the price point. Now, some folks have mentioned that it's not suitable for bikes with unconventional frame designs since they may require a crossbar adapter. Here's the thing though, if you're using standard bikes, you're in the clear, and at this price, it's a steal. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to transport your bikes. Skip this if you have bikes with unique frames, as you might face compatibility issues. For the price, it's hard to argue against this one. Now, if you're planning to transport multiple bikes regularly, you might want to check out the next one. Product number 5, MaxxHaul 4-Bike Rack. Finally, we have the MaxxHaul Hitch Mount 4-Bike Rack, which is priced at $79.99. This one's a great option if you frequently bike with friends or family, as it can carry up to 4 bikes. If you need capacity and ease of access, this one is worth a look. What I love about this rack is its swing-down design. It allows you to access the rear of your vehicle without removing the bikes, which is super convenient during road trips. With a towing capacity of 150 pounds, it can safely transport multiple bikes, making it an ideal choice for group outings. Here's why this matters for you. The adjustable bike cradles and hook and loop straps keep your bike secure, and the durable construction ensures it stands the test of time. It's designed to fit 2 hitch receivers, making it versatile for various vehicles. Now, some users noted that it's not ideal for bikes with non-horizontal top frames because a crossbar adapter may be needed. But honestly, if you're planning to transport standard bikes, this won't be an issue. This is perfect for you if you often travel with a group and need to carry several bikes. Skip this one if your bikes have unique frames that might not fit without an adapter. For the value it offers, it's definitely a solid choice. To sum it up, we've covered a range of bike racks that cater to different needs, from single bike transport to accommodating multiple bikes. Each has its strengths, so think about what suits your lifestyle best. So there you have it. We looked at the Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Rack for affordability, the 3-bike carrier for family trips, the Weize hitch rack for heavier bikes, the budget-friendly MaxxHaul 2-Bike Rack, and the versatile MaxxHaul 4-Bike Rack for group outings. Each has its pros and cons, so pick one that fits your biking lifestyle best.